Yes, I knew that was it. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was just playing one of those Would You Rather quizzes on YouTube. They're so addictive, right? Did you know quiz videos are not only super entertaining, but also rank in tons of views on YouTube? And here's the kicker. Quiz videos fall under the education niche, which means their CPM is one of the highest on YouTube, between $4 to $15, sometimes more depending on the audience. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I create quiz videos right on my phone, easy, free, and fun. Let's jump in. So first we're going to go to ChatGPT because we need some would you rather questions. So we're going to put in create me 10 would you rather questions with imagery. Depending how long your video is, you can choose how many questions you want to generate. So these are the questions and they give me great imagery so I could just put it into the generator. So now let's get some images and videos. We're going to go over to Canva for that. In the search bar, you're going to put in YouTube video. Then once you have your video, your canvas, you need a background with 2 color schemes. So I'm going to use blue and then I'm going to use red. Now stretch them out to the canvas. Don't worry. What you're going to do is take that little tab in the middle of the red and bring it to the middle. Now this is your judgment call to make it look even. Once you have that, you're going to look for number 1. Canva has this number graphic from 1 to 100, so no matter how many questions you choose. Change the color to black and put it up in the corner. Now you need something at the top like a text, so we're going to go to text and you're going to pick Cold, Smooth, and Tasty, which is my favorite font, as I always choose it, and you're going to put in would you rather with a question mark. Once you have it like that, you're going to stretch it out so that it's only one line, so you have room for your imagery. Now you're going to go to font on the bottom and you're going to look up bubble. Now Rubik bubble is what I'm going to use because it's bold, but now we want to make it stand out, so you're going to click color and you're going to turn it to white. Once you do that, you're going to go to effects and you're going to click outline. The outline should be thick, so it should be around 140, 150, and then you're going to change the outline to black. Now it's perfect. Stretch it out to make it go right beside the number 1. I must say it looks great so far. Now you want to duplicate this slide 2 times, so you'll have 3 slides. So you click it and you slide over to the left and you click more. Now you're going to click duplicate and then click it again. Now you have 3 slides. 3 slides equals 1 question. I'm going to show you how. Now you're going to go to elements and you're going to look up loading bar. Pick any loading bar you want. I think 5 seconds is good enough. So I'm going to click the 6-second one. Now you can remove background, but then it will go completely invisible. So we're going to crop it. You're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to click crop. Now you're going to take the bars to fit the little white line. Just like this. Once you have it like that, stretch it out a bit to make it look longer and then put it at the bottom. See? Just like that. Perfect. Okay, so now what you're going to want to work on, the animation for your words and the one. So you're going to click animate and you're going to animate your title. Would you rather? So I animated the title. Now I'm going to animate the number 1. I'm going to put a pop. Remember to animate only on enter because it will disappear for the next slide before the second one starts. See how it goes like this? Perfect. Make sure your 3rd slide is about 3 seconds because that's the result slide. Now you need some transitions. Now I'm going to pick the color swipe and that one's pretty good. Now remember, you can change the colors if you like. As you can see, I'm going to try red, but I'm not really feeling it. So I'm just going to keep the purple and keep it just like this. So now every time the new slide, it changes. It looks really good, right? Now you want to duplicate these 3 pages so you can make more questions. So what you're going to do is click the 3 little lines at the top and view all pages. Now you're going to click select so you can select all 3 pages to duplicate them fast. So you click select and you select them in order. So once you select them, you click duplicate. That's the second question. That's the third question. That's the fourth question, and so on. So how many questions you have. Now we're going to exit out of this and come back to the main page. Now we need to copy the 1 and put it on the rest of the pages. So you're going to take the 1 and you're going to click the 3 little dots and you're going to click copy. Once you click copy, you're going to take it to the next page and you're going to click down at the bottom, click the page, scroll to the left, click more, and then you're going to click paste. Now the 1 is in the same spot and you're going to do it on the third one and you're going to click paste. Now the 1 doesn't look like it's moving. See how it just stays in the same spot? Now you're going to do it for the second one. You're going to go to elements, find 2. Once you find 2, shrink it down, put it in the corner where number 1 was, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to click the 3 little dots, press copy, go to the second slide, press paste. Once you do that, you go to the third slide, press paste. Now you have your questions for number 2. And then you do it for 3, and then you do it for 4, and then you do it for 5, and so on. So how many questions you have. Once you do that, we are going to look for some visuals. If you go to apps on the bottom, you put in magic media will show up. So from the first question, it says a mystical underwater city and all that other good stuff. You generate it and you go to video and it gives you a video because everything you're going to search for your would you rather is not going to be there. Now you're going to come back and you're going to paste the second visual for the first question. So it says a floating island. So that's in elements and you're just going to shrink it down. You're going to put it right on the other side. Now it looks like this. Now you're going to want to copy the image like you did with the number 1 and 2. And you're going to press copy and then you're going to press paste so that the pictures are in the same exact spot for the first slide and the second slide for the first question. I hope that made sense. That's why I make this visually appealing so you can understand. Now let's animate these videos. So let's do a slide up. See? Like a rise. And then you're going to put only on enter. Now animate the second photo. And they're both sliding up, as you can see. That looks really good. Remember to copy and paste the images to the other slides. See? So this is what it's going to look like. Now you're going to make sure that you paste it on the third one as well, because the third slide is the results. Now you're going to grab one of the pictures and you're going to find transparency. Now you're going to take the transparency down so you can put the results on the pictures. So take it down to about 50. Once you have that down, you're going to look for text. And once you find text, you know what to click. You can click whatever one you want, but I usually do this one because it's clear. And then you're going to put 47%, as in 47% of people chose that option instead of the other one. So then we're going to take it and we're going to turn it to yellow so that it stands out more. Now you can choose whatever color you want. I like yellow because it's bold and out there. Now you can make up that number or you can go back over to ChatGPT and put with percentages of what people would choose. And it will give you a whole new quiz with the percentages. Now, obviously somewhere in the world, 47% of the people are choosing those options. These are for entertainment purposes. So choose whatever you want. I'm going to put 47% for this one. And then I'm going to put 53% on the other side. And then you're going to put that there. See why we put the third slide translucent? So that it looks like this. Now you're going to do this same thing you did for the first one on the second one. Now I'm going to show you how you can use pictures and also make them move. So come back over to ChatGPT and you do the second question. So breathes like fire like a dragon. So I went to Leonardo for this, which is free. And this is the image I got. I don't think I'm going to use that, but I'm just showing you other options. So I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to put in breathes like fire, and I'm just going to find a picture in elements because there are no videos. I chose this picture. Now I'm going to show you how to animate it. So you're going to click the picture and then you're going to click animate. Now you can choose any one of these, but I like add-on effects because it will play for the whole video. See? So now it's pulsing. so it's moving. So now we're going to look for a blizzard because it says start a blizzard with your hands. So we're just going to find a typical blizzard picture and put it on the side. Don't worry, we're putting voiceover on this so that people understand what we're asking. So once you do that, you're going to copy the picture and post it in the second slide of the second question, just like you did in number 1. And then you're going to copy and paste, put it in the second one, and then you're going to put it in the third one. Remember to make the third slide transparent and put your results. Once you have your full video done, take it over to CapCut for final editing. Now you're going to upload your photo. I know this is not the beginning, but I'm going to show you how I created this intro for my video. You're going to go back over to CapCut and you're just going to go into elements and find smiley faces, quizzes, and then I just post them. Then you're going to tap, and you can change the colors if you like. Then you're going to tap them and you're going to animate them. So I used pop and pulse, as you can see, and then I just took the text and I changed it up, and this is what it looks like. It took me literally 5 seconds to make this little intro thing. So then you're going to go to sounds and you're going to look up gaming music. Now, a bunch of them will pop up, but I like to use CapCut's actual one. So this is, turn it down to about 30, and this is what it sounds like. So that sounds good. That would make me want to, let's get into it. Let's get into these questions, So then you're going to choose a transition. I've already chosen one. Ooh, let's find a sound to go with that transition. Maybe whoosh would work. Yes, see? Oh. Now we need to put some text and voiceover. So we're going to click text to audio and put, don't forget to write your answers in the comments.
Don't forget to write.
Click the guy you want or the girl, click split, generate, and then you click separate. So you can delete the captions, but not the voiceover.
Don't forget to write your answers in the comments.
See that? Nice. And then it goes whoosh right into the test. So now we need some voiceover for our quiz so people know what we're asking would you rather do. So you're going to go back into text to audio and you're just going to copy the little part, just the bold part, and bring it over to text to audio. And then you're going to trek through an endless flowing island realm. And then you pick your guy and choose it.
Would you rather explore a mystical...
And see, it goes right into it. Now we're going to change our captions. I like these ones better. Regenerate them and shrink them down. Now there's tons of captions you can choose from. I like this one. It goes way more with the quiz to me. And then you just put them there. And then you can shrink them down, put them at the bottom, and then it's going to look and sound like this.
Would you rather explore a mystical underwater
So that looks really good, yes? Don't forget to add a bunch of sounds, like whooshes, dings, pings. That really goes with the gaming genre. So you're going to take it over, and then you're going to duplicate, slide it over to every transition in your video, add some type of whoosh or ping. Now we're going to look for a ding sound effect, like that. And that ding is going to go at the end of the loading bar to tell you your time is up, just like that. And then it goes into that. And then once you have that all done, it's going to look something like this. Remember to edit every question just the same way. Then you're going to either download it in 4K or 1080, whatever you choose. And here's the video you've been waiting for.
Don't forget to write your answers in the comments. Would you rather explore a mystical underwater city or trek through an endless floating island realm? Would you rather have the ability to breathe fire like a dragon or summon an icy blizzard with a wave of your hands?
If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.